Hi Faves, real quick before we get into today's vlog, I just want to come on and tell you guys about this amazing dietary supplement that I have right here in my hand from a company by the name of Vida Cap. And this dietary supplement called Lion's Mane. The supplement is made from mushroom, hence the name Lion's Mane. It's from a type of mushroom that, because the shape and the look of the mushroom resembles the furriness of a lion, hence why it's called lion mane. And this dietary supplement have a bunch of benefits. Just to name a few, it promotes healthy immune system, it enhances energy, and the reason why I take it is because I like the energy boost that I get when I take this dietary supplement. You can take up to 1 to 2 capsules per day. It improves memory and focus, and it also good for mental clarity. It also supports brain health, also improve your overall health. It's veggie and gluten-free, and it's organic, so you don't have to worry about the additives and stuff that is inside this capsule, because it's completely safe for you to take this, and it's very healthy. There's 60 capsules that is in this small bottle, and you can take 1 to 2 capsules per day. It helps you to relax and calm throughout the day. It have a bunch of health benefits that you'll need for your overall health. And for somebody like me who don't like the taste of mushroom, this is a good way of having all the benefits of mushroom without eating the actual mushroom. It's a perfect way. You take 1 to 2 capsules and the job is done. So if you're anything like me who is not a big fan of mushroom and you want all the benefits of mushroom, then go ahead and click the link down below and you can order your supplement from Vida Cap. Mind you, mushroom can be taken in a variety of ways. People like my husband, for example, love to eat mushroom, while I am not a fan of mushroom. So while you can enjoy your mushroom in powder form, you can enjoy your mushroom with your meal. I am not a big fan of mushrooms, so this is a perfect way for me to get my intake and benefits from mushroom. And this one, especially the lion's mane, the functional mushroom, is good for your overall well-being. So if you're looking for a dietary supplement, then go ahead and click the link down below and make sure you get yours. The price is very cheap, it's not expensive at all. The shipment was fast, so you guys can go ahead and get yours and get all the benefits that comes from these functional from these dietary supplements. So it's very convenient if you don't want to eat mushrooms, or if you don't like mushrooms like me. This dietary supplement is perfect for you. I'll definitely recommend this dietary supplement to you guys. It's beneficial for me, so I'm sure it will be beneficial for you. So go ahead and click the link down below and order yours right now. Let's get into today's vlog. Hi Faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night.
Wagwan. We're going to play soft.
No, we're going to soft play.
Oh, yes, soft.
Say hello. Say hello. Say hi. Hi. Say hi. Sarah. Say hi. Good job. Blow them kisses. Blow them kisses. Mwah. Blow them kisses. Well, you guys got something. Anyway, you guys, it's holiday here today, and we have been home just chilling and cruise controlling all day. And I decided, you know what, let me take the kids to soft play since baby's home today, where I don't have to take the tram and stuff like that, because it's a little bit out of the reach when you don't have your own drive. So I'm taking the kids to soft play. They'll be excited because they haven't gone there in a long time. So that's where we're heading right now. I don't think Tyler really know exactly where we're going, but he have some kind of idea. Anyway, so we're just gonna hang out and pick up some fast food for dinner later and just have fun for the rest of today. And today also make 9 years since I visited France for the first time. So you know, we just basking in the moment and chilling. Anyway, you see her? She's not tired. Don't worry, she just woke up. She probably just need to get out of this hot car. Anyway, you guys, enjoy the rest of today. Today's vlog. Hopefully you guys are doing well and is enjoying the nice summer weather. I see people in UK saying when the good weather is gonna come back because they're having rain. Like, girl, let me send you some sun, shall we? Anyway, it's super hot here, like very hot, and we are enjoying every bit of it. People is hanging out at the pool, the beaches are full, the streets are full. And yeah, the government, the president put in some real tight restrictions on vaccine. Is like they left no choice for people to be vaccinated, well, unless you want to pay now every time you need to get a swab to go somewhere, and everywhere you have to have like this paper to show that you're fully vaccinated before you can go into some places. So here is tightening on a lot of things, and it's kind of a good thing, you know. So if you don't want to be vaccinated, that's fine, just make sure you have your money to pay to get the swab of 140 euro each time that you need to enter somewhere. Anyway, you guys continue to stay safe. We're going to just head out and have a good day. Babe run gone inside to get something, so you guys will see everybody at the throughout the rest of the vlog. So have a good day, stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, and subscribe if it's your first time to the fam bam, of course, and give this video a thumbs up. Love you guys and enjoy the rest of today.
Go to Papa. Go to Papa up there. Look, you wanna go back up there? Hey! Go, sir! Tyler, come! Come go with your sister. Who is this? Tyler! Go that way. Follow Tyler, look! Go with Tyler, go!
Sure. Давай, давай.
Babe, she probably wants to get down. She wanna get down. She... Hi! Go, go, go. Look, go. Sarah, go. Go. Hi! Go. Sarah, go. Hi! She wants to come to me. Tyler is having the time of his life. Oh, ooh, ooh. Yeah! Yeah! big one. Wow. What number is this one? Wow, what number is that? 3, good girl. It's gonna fall. What number is this one? Oh! Wow! It's gonna fall. Look, Sarah. Whoa! Uh-oh. You're in trouble. Oh, no. Yeah, continue. Go on. Up, up, up. Good job. What number is this one? 4. Good job. What number is this one? C'est quoi en français? 6. Good job. And this one is 9. This one. Uh-oh, it's gonna fall. Sarah, look, Sarah. Sarah, look. Who is this? Who is that? Who is that? Ball. But who is this? Who is this?
Yeah.
Tyler. Okay.
Mama,
It's almost time to go.
I'm gonna carry some more now.
No. Go, follow her. Go, run her down, catch her. It's almost time. It's almost closing time. It's almost closing time. It's almost closing time. Oh, okay. Okay.
You okay, Tyler?
Tyler going up. Oh, he's gone. I lost him. But he's gonna come to this one. Oh, there he is. Ready? Come. Normal way. No.
dietary supplement to you guys. It's beneficial for me, so I'm sure it will be beneficial for you. So go ahead and click the link down below and order yours right now. Let's